Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Today's live is a very interesting live because we have a guest as well. And what I am trying to do is I am trying to find out our guest. She is about to enter anytime soon. Yes, here we go. Hi Shilpi. Hi Arshi. Hi everyone. They were supposed to be live, but they aren't live still. Here we go.
Hello.
Hi everyone. Hi. Hi Soumya. Hi Samtha. Everyone knows the topic for the live today. Hi, can you hear me? Shruti?
Hello. Hi, how are you?
Very well. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Very, very good, Shruti.
Yeah, it's been long that I'm following you, and I just really wanted this session to happen for kids. Definitely
Yay.
at this moment.
Definitely.
In this cat color, I would say.
Excellent, excellent. I think we should
So-
not. Yes. Please tell me, and please feel free to ask me any questions related to child nutrition today.
Yeah, I've just, let's just begin.
Sure.
Basically, I just wanted a few more people to join in so that they don't miss.
Let's
So you
get
keep
done.
yourself hydrated, right?
Let's get done with the boring
All
parts. And the boring parts of introduction.
That's not at all boring. You are a time award winner, man. How can it be boring?
No, nothing like that. Because we are live on other channels also of Balanced Nutrition, and there we have lots of people waiting for your question answers. So can we go ahead? Yeah.
Definitely. So you always keep your bottle with yourself, right? Keeping yourself hydrated, your skin. Just see, man. You are a mom of. How old is your daughter?
Trisha is now 11.
Oh.
Yes.
So definitely, as a mom, you understand how difficult it is, to get kids into that nutrition phase and
Yes.
piche bhagna, please eat this, please eat this.
Yes.
So, if you could just, guide us on how to inculcate good eating habits.
Yes.
What all should be taken in care? Basically, feeding them greens and getting things in a nutrition way.
Yes. I get what you're saying. Let me start by answering this question. So the question asked by Shruti, who runs a very cute play school called Learners for Life. Isn't it, Shruti?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's not a play school, it's just the page for my kids.
It's a page for your kids. Okay. So
Yeah,
let's start with a few shocking things that we as mothers unknowingly do. Is it okay if I talk in Hindi also?
Yeah, definitely.
Because a lot of
Mother
our clients
language.
would love हिंदी. तो सबसे पहले तो चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशन की जब बात आती है तो लाइक चाइल्ड्स एजुकेशन, लाइक चाइल्ड्स इन्वेस्टमेंट, लाइक वो क्या पहनने वाले हैं, हम सब डिसाइड करते हैं बच्चे के लिए, राइट? तो हमें बच्चे के लिए
Yeah.
ये भी डिसाइड करना पड़ेगा कि हम बच्चे को खिलाए क्या, है ना? ऑल ऑफ यू फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल फीड योर किड्स एवरीथिंग इन द वर्ल्ड. पहली बार वो वीडियोस आते हैं, पता है, पहली बार जब बच्चे को आपने आइसक्रीम रखा एंड द किड गोज वाह वाह वूम, आप लोगों को सबको कितना अच्छा लगता है. बट आपको ये नहीं पता कि आपने उसको ऑलरेडी आदत डाल दी है वाह वाह वूम की, और उसने वो टेस्ट रजिस्टर कर लिया है. सो एज पेरेंट्स फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, अगर आप इतने रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो आपके बच्चे के एजुकेशन के लिए, आपके बच्चे के फंडिंग के लिए, तो आपको जरूर यू हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट आप उनके खाने में भी इन्वेस्ट करो. इज दिस टॉपिक फॉर द डे अ वेरी गुड वन? आई एम श्योर इट इज, राइट? सो बच्चे के लिए सबसे
Definitely.
पहले एज अ मदर व्हाट यू शुड डू इज, जैसे ही आपका बच्चा स्टार्ट्स फिंगर फूड्स ऑन हिज ओन और ऑन हर ओन, सबसे पहली चीज आपको ये करनी है कि आपको उसकी प्लेट बनाना बंद करना है. यू नो व्हाई? बिकॉज आपको कितनी भूख लगी है, श्रुति, विल यू डिसाइड दैट और विल योर मदर?
Obviously, I'll decide it, ना?
प्रिसाइसली. तो फिर अपने बच्चों के लिए आप क्यों डिसाइड करते हो? आपको उन्हें एक हैबिट में डालना है ताकि वो खुद अपनी हंगर कर सके एट दैट पर्टिकुलर एज. एक बात बता दूं, कोई भी बच्चा बिना खाए नहीं रहेगा. अगर आपके बच्चे को 2 दिन भी भूखा रहना पड़े ना, nothing will happen. Understanding my point?
Okay.
Right.
And यहाँ हम we are after their lives, please eat, we'll do all the dance. Literally, my mother-in-law तो यही कहती है कि बंदरिया बनना पड़ता है बच्चे को खिलाने के लिए.
Precisely my point. So, if the child is not interested, yeah, it's okay if the child is not interested in eating what you're serving, but at the same time, this is the best time. जब वो खुद अपनी प्लेट खाने लगे, the child starts eating from his own plate. Try and give the child. टेबल पे से आपको सिर्फ इतना बोलना है उसे कि देख सैलड तो नॉन नेगोशिएबल, सो ऑल योर नॉन नेगोशिएबल थिंग्स उसको बता दो, ठीक है ना, कि ये नॉन नेगोशिएबल है, ये तो खाना ही पड़ेगा, ये खाना पड़ेगा, ये खाना पड़ेगा. अब जितना खाना है दैट इज योर डिसीजन. ओके, तब जाके आप उसको ये पकड़ सकते हो कि व्हाई हैवंट यू ईटन दैट मच. सो एज अ चाइल्ड यू आर इनकलकेटिंग द आर्ट ऑफ ईटिंग करेक्टली. बहुत सारे बच्चे उनकी एपेटाइट इतनी होती नहीं है. आई कैन हियर यू. कैन यू हियर मी? कैन यू हियर मी?
Okay. Yeah,
बहुत सारे बच्चे, too many kids are those.
I can hear. I guess everyone else is also.
Yes. There are many kids. Okay, बहुत बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो उनकी एपेटाइट बिकॉज ऑफ फोर्सफुल फीडिंग बढ़ जाती है, और इसीलिए आज हम टीनेज ओबेसिटी बैटल कर रहे हैं. ओके, एक 10 साल का बच्चा हार्डली अभी इंडिया में है जो इज इन द आइडियल बॉडी वेट रेंज. द बच्चा इज ऑलवेज हैविंग अ लिटिल हाई फैट. सो एक तो हम उनको बिस्किट्स देना शुरू कर देते हैं, हम उनको रेडी टू ईट देना शुरू कर देते हैं, और उसके बाद हम डिसाइड करते हैं कि बच्चा क्या खाएगा. आपने ऑलरेडी उसके पोर्शंस बढ़ा दिए. दिस किड इज गोइंग टू बिकम एन ओवरवेट किड बिकॉज दिस किड डजंट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हंगर. ओके, सो द फर्स्ट थिंग यू डू इज रादर देन, और आपको ये क्यों लगता है कि उसका एजुकेशन जरूरी है और उसके इन्वेस्टमेंट जरूरी है, उसकी हेल्थ जरूरी नहीं है. सो दैट इज व्हाट आई वांट टू ऑलवेज इनकलकेट, कि एक बच्चे की
I
हेल्थ.
would rather, I really find कि this should be taught to the kids like ABCD in school. So this should be a part, health should be a part of the curriculum.
सिंगापुर,
बस बता देते कि इसमें विटामिन से ये पिरामिड है.
यस, आपको पता है सिंगापुर और जापान में,
big issue nowadays.
yes, in Singapore and Japan the kids are asked to take their own खाना from छोटे 6 साल के बच्चे अपना खुद का खाना लेते हैं स्कूल में से, खुद खाते हैं, खुद अपनी प्लेट वॉश करते हैं और रख देते हैं. दैट इज द लेवल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस द किड्स आर टॉट इन दो स्कूल्स. अब आती है दूसरी बात फसी ईटर्स की, है ना. मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं खाता, मेरा बच्चा वो नहीं खाता, मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं करता, मेरा बच्चा वो नहीं करता है. सबसे पहले तो ये जो फसी ईटिंग है ना, कि मेरा बच्चा ये नहीं करता, ये नहीं करता, दिस इज फसी ईटिंग इज ऑलवेज बिकॉज ऑफ ओनली वन प्रॉब्लम, एंड दैट प्रॉब्लम इज ही इज सीइंग द फैक्ट दैट आप उसको एनकरेज करोगे, ही इज सीइंग द फैक्ट दैट आप उसको एनकरेज करके एंटरटेन भी करोगे. अच्छा बच्चा तुझे ये नहीं खाना, ओके कोई बात नहीं, तू ये खा ले. सो फसी ईटिंग की भी शुरुआत एज पेरेंट्स हम ही करते हैं, isn't it? Yeah, I think now we all realize that. हम सब करते हैं फसी ईटिंग, एंड उसके बाद the child is sitting on the dining table with you and the child is seeing someone in the family doing नखरा कि नहीं यार आज है ना इन चिंटू के पापा को टिंडली पसंद नहीं है इसलिए हमने आज उनके लिए सेपरेट गोभी बनाई है. फिनिश्ड, योर किड हर्ड दैट, योर किड इज गोइंग टू नाउ फॉलो दैट. सो सबसे पहले तो फसी ईटिंग हमसे शुरू होती है, ठीक है ना. हम अगर फसी ईटर्स है तो डेफिनेटली कम व्हाट में योर चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू बी अ फसी ईटर. और अगर आपने लाइक देयर सी समता इज राइटिंग माई सन इज 8 year old बट ही इज वेरी फसी ऑन फूड्स, स्पेशली वेजिटेबल्स. हर एक बच्चे को वेजिटेबल्स पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन अगर बच्चे को मैथ्स पसंद नहीं है तो क्या आप मैथ्स छुड़वा देते हो बच्चे का? I'm just trying to say that the attitude towards food has to be the same as attitude towards a subject. क्या मैथ नहीं पसंद तो हम बोलते हैं नहीं बच्चा इट्स ओके, आज रहने दे, मैथ्स का होमवर्क है, इट्स फाइन, डोंट डू द होमवर्क. दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल, कोई नहीं करता ये, isn't it? You will फटकाओ, do whatever is required to make sure that math assignment is submitted, है ना. तो आपको यही करना है आपके बेबी के साथ. At 8 year olds, I would say that the kid is extremely mature, but at the age of 2 and 3, मैं आप लोगों को ट्रिक्स देने वाली हूँ कि वेजिटेबल्स कैसे मिक्स करके एक अच्छी सी डिश बना के अपने बच्चों को खिला दो, ताकि उसे पता भी ना चले कि उसने वेजिटेबल खाया, and he starts liking the taste also. Okay, so those tips I'm going to give you, but it always starts at home. ठीक है ना. ये फसी ईटिंग एनकरेज मत करो, एंटरटेन मत करो. और ऑल्सो देर इज वन मोर पॉइंट दैट आई वुड लाइक टू ब्रिंग आउट. यू नो व्हाट, सर्टन पेरेंट्स गेट वेरी वर्कड अप अगर उसने खाना नहीं खाया, लेकिन उसका सोल्यूशन उनको लगता है कि 1 ग्लास दूध है. तो 1 glass of milk is not the solution for your child not eating. So don't tell your child that okay, no problem, आपने आज खाना नहीं खाया लेकिन आपने मिल्क पिया है, and that milk is fine. No, milk is not fine. Milk is just a food group which is having little protein, fat and fat soluble vitamins. It does not have fiber. It does not have a good source of carbohydrates which your child needs because the child is growing up and using his energy. Isn't it? So first and foremost,
I have seen many parents doing it.
दूध पी लिया ना, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. और दूध नहीं पी रहा है,
ठीक है,
दूध नहीं पी रहा है तो घर में डिप्रेशन छा जाता है, ऐसा भी नहीं है. सी, नो फूड ग्रुप इज indispensable except for fruits and vegetables. अगर आपका बच्चा रोटी नहीं खाता, he will live. अगर आपका बच्चा राइस नहीं खाता, he will live. अगर आपका बच्चा लेकिन फ्रूट और वेजिटेबल नहीं खा रहा है, तो you are inviting a lot of health concerns starting from obesity. आगे जाके जब ये सन बड़ा होता है आपका, तो उसको उसके टेस्टोस्टेरॉन लेवल्स, हार्मोन लेवल्स और डायबिटीज को लड़ना पड़ता है. डायबिटीज के साथ he has to fight that. And if it's a daughter, she has to fight with the ovary hormones, she has to fight with uterine hormones, and you will not have a period cycle the way you want. इसीलिए तो आज 2 periods के बाद हर बच्चा, I mean every daughter, second, third daughter is coming to us saying that they have issues with periods. That is because, and then you go and find out it is because packaged foods बहुत खा लिया इसने. Okay, so a packet of chips, a packet of biscuits, a jam. अभी एक स्कूल गए थे हम, where the डब्बा was, क्या लाया? इडली केचप. क्या लाया? मिक्स वेज पराठा बट केचप. So the amount of ketchup also in a child's diet is not a joke. Okay, आपको लगता है मैंने थोड़ा सा केचप दिया है, but have you realized that in a month how much ketchup your child has had? And what is ketchup? All the class 2 preservatives. Okay, class 2 and class 3 preservatives इंडिया में तो सही चलते हैं, तो कोई पूछता ही नहीं है. ठीक है ना. And you're giving that to your child, and then you are creating a policy for education. Correct.
You're eating sandwich with then tomato sauce. Anything tomato sauce. कुछ नहीं खाया, रोटी tomato sauce से खा रहा है. I've seen parents doing this.
Correct.
कुछ तो खा रहा है, रोटी sauce से ही सही भले.
Precisely my point. और तब जाके हमें रियलाइज नहीं होता, लेकिन आगे जाके when this child is, see, every generation is becoming a little weaker than the previous generation. अब तो लॉकडाउन में है, हार्डली बच्चू हैज एनी एक्टिविटी. उसको ऑक्यूपाई करने के लिए भी आपको क्या करना है? ओके फाइन, डोंट हैरेस मी. आइदर द चाइल्ड इज ऑन द कंप्यूटर, लेकिन कंप्यूटर की वजह से जो स्क्रीन इश्यूज हो रहे हैं, वी आर नॉट गिविंग कैरेट सैलेड, वी आर नॉट गिविंग कैरेट का पराठा, और वी आर नॉट गिविंग विटामिन ए रिच फूड्स फॉर द आईज. उल्टे का द बच्चा इज गेटिंग हाइपर एंड इरिटेटेड, तो हम बोलते हैं ठीक है यार तेरा गो टेक योर न्यूटेला और गो टेक व्हाटएवर.
I agree. They are fetching a lot of money. I said Nutella and everything. अभी तो lockdown में it is like a hype.
Britannia
It is cake.
Yeah, Britannia.
Everything you see, all mom have become super chefs.
Britannia and Parle and all these
I'm
companies.
telling you, all mamas become super chef.
सब कंपनीज ने डबल कर लिया है अपना सेल ऑफ पैकेज फूड्स. सो हम भी, सो इनफैक्ट योर चाइल्ड इज नॉट गोइंग आउट. ओके, एंड अब है इम्यूनिटी की बात. एवरीबडी सडनली वांट्स टू हैव इम्यूनिटी, बट माय क्वेश्चन हियर इज दैट wherever we live, okay, if anybody from India is hearing me, of course we have hygiene issues on the road, and yes, we are polluted, we are a dirty, हमारी डर्ट लेवल्स थोड़ी ज्यादा ही होती है. तो हम तो लोकल ट्रेन में नहीं जा रहे, बच्चा नीचे नहीं खेल रहा है ना, वो जर्म्स के साथ कोई कांटेक्ट कर रहा है, तो उसकी इम्यूनिटी ऑलरेडी वीक हो चुकी है ना. बाय स्टेइंग इनसाइड एंड प्रोटेक्टिंग योरसेल्फ फ्रॉम कोरोना वायरस, वी हैव मेड आवरसेल्व्स वीकर. पहले तो आपके बच्चे के क्लास में 10 लोग छींकते थे, आपका बच्चा फिर भी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड हेल्दी है तो वो विदाउट एनी इन्फेक्शन आ जाता था. अब जब बच्चा जाएगा बाहर, isn't it, that time just imagine the load that
Yeah.
kid will have and the immunity that kid will need. But what we are doing, instead of building the immunity, most of us are happily am I back? Most of us are happily using this time. Am I back now? Am I good? I think I'm back. Most of us, what we are doing is we are using this time to feed junk to our child, isn't it? हमें जंक के अलावा हमारे बच्चे को देने के लिए लगता है क्या दूं, पूरा दिन क्या दूं, isn't it? Can you guys hear me, all of you? Wait. Can you please all hear me? Yeah. Everyone in the group also can hear me? Yeah? Is it going in? Okay.
We'll just be back. I guess she has some.
Yeah. Can you hear me now? I think. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Everyone?
Yeah, definitely.
Excellent. I think we are back. So I was saying that instead of working on the child's immunity, हमने क्या किया है यहाँ पे? हमने उल्टे का उसका इम्यूनिटी थोड़ा खराब कर रखा है. The child is not even stepping out. Lot of kids, in India have early morning school. उसे vitamin D तब मिल जाता था. अब क्या हो रहा है? We are not even having that vitamin D जो एटलीस्ट एक बच्चों को मिल रहा था while the बच्चा was traveling in school, isn't it? So right now what we have to do is we have to just make sure that
Definitely. Playing in school.
precisely, yes. So now what we have to do is we have to just make sure that हम अभी के दिन, see I don't think schools are opening, okay, और इतना लेट भी नहीं हो रखा है. So सबसे पहले I think now what do you say Shruti, should we start with a couple of tips for the mothers? है ना? एक आइडियल डाइट बता दें बच्चों को कि क्या खाना चाहिए क्या नहीं.
Definitely. I will just ask the viewers to
put their questions, right? Yes, I think it's time to now take some questions because what I said I think makes sense to a lot of mothers. So all of you who have any questions regarding your child, but give me questions which are a little answerable and which are a little generic. If you give me an answer specifically for your child who has some disorder, you can use the chat section, isn't it? Right?
Yeah, definitely.
Perfect.
So I just ask
Yes.
moms,
Sure.
likewise take every question that's on. So can you help with the weaning tips?
Correct.
A mother.
Correct. It's a beautiful, yeah. It's a beautiful question. ये question है from breastfeeding, जब आप ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग कर रहे हो तो ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग से लेके आपका बच्चा जब सॉलिड फूड खाने लगे तब आपको क्या करना चाहिए, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. ठीक है ना? वीनिंग को लेकर काफी सारे इश्यूज हो चुके हैं लाइफ में. देर आर सम पेरेंट्स हु feel that weaning should be starting at 4 months. There are some parents who think weaning should be starting at 6 months. There are some parents who think weaning should be starting at 8 months. Yes, exclusive breastfeeding of a healthy mother. अगर आप एक healthy mother हो तो आपको feed करना है exclusively अपने बच्चे को जब तक कि उसके 6 months complete नहीं हो जाते. उसके आगे अगर आपको ब्रेस्ट फीड करना है, you have to make sure that you are adding a few supplements in your child's diet, in that little baby's diet. जो ब्रेस्ट मिल्क होता है ना, वो ब्रेस्ट मिल्क इज अ ब्यूटिफुल फॉर्मूला फीड, ओके, अ नेचुरली डन नाइस फॉर्मूला फीड. एनिमल मिल्क हम नहीं देते बच्चों को क्योंकि एनिमल मिल्क में लैक्टोज होता है और वो छोटे बच्चे को, उसके स्टमक को अभी वो एंजाइम्स नहीं मिलते विच हेल्प इन डाइजेस्टिंग द लैक्टोज. Okay, so that is why the breast milk of the mother has a different sugar, milk sugar, which is called galactose. और इसीलिए आपका खाना, आपकी डाइट should be rich in galactogogues. Ghee is not a galactogog. तो प्लीज आप लोग घी खाना बंद कर दीजिए. It is not something that will help you. So what we need to do here is you need to understand that ये जो breast milk है ना, it is rich in every single food except one nutrient, and that nutrient is iron. So जैसे ही 6 month complete हो जाए और बच्चा 7th month में आ रहा है, आपको थोड़ा सा weaning उसे शुरू करना ही पड़ेगा. All right. So the weaning guides, what I will do is weaning जो है, I will, you just leave the age of, अगर आपका बच्चा is 1 year, अगर आपका बच्चा is more than 18, नहीं, I have weaning guides till 1 year. So if your kid is,
second we are getting connected again.
Yeah, I think now we are better, right?
I guess there's some network issue, guys. We will cover every question. Yeah, there was some network issue, so please don't bother. We will cover every question which have been asked.
Yes.
So just stay tuned. Because
Sure.
of network issue, there might be some problem.
Am
but just stay tuned, yeah?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Perfect. So, what I was...
like you said, at 6 months के बाद खाना खिलाना शुरू करना चाहिए. Or you should, try weaning the child with.
Yes.
Like a ma'am here had a question. So क्या देना शुरू करना चाहिए?
Correct.
It is not safe.
Correct. What I want to do is, I want to Shruti... Yes, what I want to do is, I want every single mother who wants a weaning guide for the child to write the age of the child in the comment section. Okay? Up till 1 year of age, 6 months से लेके 1 year तक आपके बच्चे को क्या खिलाना चाहिए, we will send you a guide free of cost on your chat. Okay? So if your child is between 6 months to 12 months, please send me Shruti, will you collect it? And will you give it to us? They can ping us on my handle also.
Definitely.
Okay, so let's do that, because weaning
definitely,
can be vegetarian, weaning is non-vegetarian. Like Pooja is saying her daughter is 8 months old. Okay, so Pooja, what I will do is, I will recommend you take that guide which is 6 to 8 months, and there is one 9 to 12 also. So just write to us in the chat section, and we will make sure that you are getting a guide which will be a nice explanatory guide. All right, let's take the older kids ke questions.
I really like this. Yeah, I like this concept of, actually going through a proper diet pattern, and I'll just ask them to connect to you directly.
Sure.
I'll tag you so that they can get connected.
Sure.
So now we have a question from Aarti. She's saying training does not feel hungry. What is the best to take care of his health?
आरती का क्वेश्चन है, a kid who is into sports and physical training but is
gives nutrition for the ones who are into sport.
करेक्ट. शी इज आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन, अगर उसका बच्चा बहुत एक्टिव है और वो खा नहीं रहा है, तो उसके एनर्जी और प्रोटीन लेवल्स को हम कैसे, हाउ डू वी वर्क ऑन देयर प्रोटीन एंड एनर्जी लेवल्स. ठीक है, सी इफ योर बच्चा इज अ स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन, ओके, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो कुंभकर्ण बन गया, या वो बहुत खाता. कौन है? कंस यूज्ड टू ईट अ लॉट. हु यूज्ड टू ईट अ लॉट? यू नो दैट माइथोलॉजिकल कैरेक्टर. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि उसको ऐसे 2 किलो चावल एंड 10 किलो राइस. नो. प्लीज डोंट मिस्टेक योर सेल्फ. एन एथलीट, ओके, विराट कोहली इज अ वेगन. So it is not about because your child is very active, the child should be able to eat a lot. Okay, the child will eat how much ever the child wants to eat. अगर आपका चाइल्ड अभी भी आरती बहुत अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर रहा है स्पोर्ट्स में, अगर वो बहुत एजाइल है, अगर वो स्ट्रॉन्ग है, स्ट्रॉन्ग का मतलब हैवी बॉडी नहीं, स्ट्रॉन्ग का मतलब लीन बंदा भी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो सकता है. Okay, so if you, what I would still suggest is, I will need this kid's height, weight, activity levels. So you know what we can do is, we can come up with something proper, because right now I feel that this is a mother who's a little worried कि वो खा कितना रहा है और वो कम खा रहा है कि ज्यादा खा रहा है. There is an interesting question I have, Shruti. Cod liver oil for a 13-year-old as a fat supplement. Anu, why you want to give a fish oil or a cod liver oil or any supplement? Diet में तो सब सही हो जाएगा. So I don't know why would you want to add a supplement in the diet, है ना? Also there is a beautiful question, Shruti, on height. Till what age can height increase? For women, height increases till she is regular with her periods. Okay, and for a man or a boy, the height increase एक spurt आता है. Okay, the height increase happens till he starts developing a mustache. So that is the height increasing का funda. Till their hormones, so when their hormones get active, all right, when they enter teenage and puberty, तब एक growth spurt आता है. So दिस हाइट इंक्रीज का जो बेस करना होता है ना आपको, वो बेस आपको करना पड़ेगा राइट फ्रॉम द टाइम द चाइल्ड इज फेड द फर्स्ट टाइम, 8 months 9 months. इफ योर चाइल्ड इज फेड वेल एंड उसका प्रोटीन और कैल्शियम बहुत ज्यादा है तो यू विल रियली डू वेल. यू नो देयर इज गमीज, पता है श्रुति?
I have come up here with a question. My Sonali is asking, my daughter is 1 and is not eating properly. What should I do? And similar question is there, so I guess we can combine it. She's 8 months and she's not eating anything like rice and dal or khichdi. She's just eating biscuits. What to do?
बिस्किट्स किसने इंट्रोड्यूस किया? पहले तो मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, who introduced biscuits to the baby? The mama. Now this baby has already got a taste, okay, of something which is excessively sweet and something that is baked. If you now give her dal chawal which is bland, which is boring, तो वो नहीं खाएगी. So गलती हमारी है कि हमने उसे बिस्किट ऐड कर दिया उसकी डाइट में. एंड दूसरा प्रॉब्लम ये है कि I don't know what is the expectation you have for an 8-month-old's appetite. If she is having one small katori also na, itna sa, that's it. You know, your child is happy and your child is going to grow. You cannot expect that 8-month-old to eat something which is an adult portion. एक adult portion नहीं खा सकती.
The entire big bowl, right?
Yeah, एक छोटा सा कटोरी भी खा लिया उसने, it's fine. The stomach is the size of their fist. इतना छोटा सा स्टमक होता है. हमारा स्टमक आईवी से हमारा हार्ट इतना है, बट ऑनेस्टली हमारा स्टमक भी इतना ही है. सो इमेजिन देयर लिटिल फिस्ट इज
माइंडसेट. उसका बच्चा तो इतना खाता है. सो यूजुअली पीपल हैव अ माइंडसेट, बट लाइकवाइज मैम हैज आंसर्ड दैट एवरी किड हैज अ defined appetite. So don't mess with it. Just go with the flow and like ma'am advised, stop giving biscuits, meetha, baked. This will increase their sugar cravings. Am I right, ma'am?
Yes, yes. आप खुद ही इंट्रोड्यूस करते हो और फिर बोलते हो बिस्किट ही खाती है, ये नहीं खाती है. ऑब्वियसली अगर घर में पिज्जा बना है और खिचड़ी बनी है तो आप भी तो पिज्जा खाओगे ना जाके. That is our mind. You are already processing an 8-month-old mind into not eating, healthy and eating unhealthy by giving her that, ना. जितना हो सके उतना बच्चों को दूर रखो. Okay? So please understand. I would always again say the same thing, guys. Please don't overreact. अगर नहीं खा रही है तो यार नहीं भूख लगी है उसे, मूड नहीं है, it's fine. Okay? Unless and until you get a farman from your doctor that yes, there are parameters which are underweight, then you worry about it, and at that time I would say talk to a nutritionist. उसका मतलब ये नहीं है आप कुछ भी खिलाओ, घी खिला दो, ये खिला दो.
I have a real nice pop-up question here. Manita is asking that 16-year child का nutrition भी रहे, health भी रहे, and fat कम हो. So any specific guidelines that you would want to give, or any innovative ideas?
Correct. I think we should
Because
come to,
by the time of 16 they are big enough to understand कि ये नहीं खाना.
yes. what I would suggest, start suggesting now is interesting ways of adding fruits and vegetables in the baby's diets. One thing, let's, I promise you guys one thing, that whether it's Sonali, Komal, Sangi Forever, Dimple, Patel, Zainab, Gopika, everyone, if your answers are not given in this live, I will comment and I will make sure they are answered. So, I'll just ask my teammate to make sure that, these questions are clicked, and I will type it out for all of you. Okay, so when it comes to kids and when it comes to the parents of clients, we always have a softer spot. So now let's look at a couple of interesting ideas to make sure that your bacha eats food. The most important food that I personally like, okay, in adding in a bacha's diet are ragi. Okay, I love adding ragi in their diet, and I love adding pumpkin. Pumpkin I know that 80% मम्मियों ने बच्चों को यहाँ pumpkin दिया ही नहीं है, वो सांबार में बाहर निकलने की चीज है, isn't it? आप लोगों के लिए भी, झूठ मत बोलो. Right, साहब pumpkin कौन खाए? It's like that, yuck, like सांबार से निकाल दो, जहां दिखा वहां से आप उसको निकाल दो, ऐसा नहीं होता. What you will be doing is, now you will be making sure that you are giving ragi and you are giving pumpkin to your kids. आपको रागी और बीटरूट का हलवा बनाना है घर पे. ग्रेट द बीटरूट, बॉइल इट, ग्रेट इट. रागी को भी, रागी के आटे को रोस्ट करो. ऑल राइट, बॉइल्ड ग्रेटेड बीट विथ रागी. जैसे ही आप एक नॉर्मल पॉरेज बनाते हो ना घर में, ओट्स पॉरेज, मिल्क डाल के, हनी डाल के, थोड़ा सा शुगर डाल के, whatever you want to use, you use, and in that either you add grated beetroot. If your child will throw it out, you puree the beetroot. So it is a beetroot and a ragi puree porridge. It will give a beautiful deep emerald red color like pomegranate, and it will taste brilliant. अभी इसमें एक्स्ट्रा घी डाल के उसका फैट मत बढ़ा देना. एक्स्ट्रा शक्कर, beet is already sweet. The reason I'm giving you beet is because it is very very rich in anthocyanins and vitamin A. मेरा pumpkin जो आएगा, that will give you all that. All right, so a beetroot and a ragi porridge or a beetroot and a ragi roti is a brilliant idea to give your child. Give it with dahi, don't give it with ketchup. If they don't like dahi, you can give them dahi में थोड़ा सा जीरा पाउडर और कोथमीर डाल के. See, every kid is interested in colors. So if your meal is a colorful one, he will want to do it. अगर आपके बच्चे को सैलड खिलाना है तो आपको साथ में सैलड खाना पड़ेगा. आइसक्रीम कैसे एज अ फैमिली हम सब शेयर करते हैं. You should create that atmosphere in your child. So in our house, eating salad is a party time. We
Oh, wow.
Yes, we gather all the salads, and then we are making it and we are cutting it, and then we all eat it and enjoy it. But that is, from the starting she has been brought up like that. She knows that certain things are not not non-negotiable. Then comes your puree of pumpkin. यार दाल में वो प्यूरे करके डाल दो, बच्चे को पता नहीं चलेगा. आप जब आटा गूंद रहे हो ना, तो वो आटे में आपकी बॉइल्ड pumpkin प्यूरे डाल दो और उससे आटा गूंद दो. No one will come to know, neither the older kid, neither the younger kid, and you will be in bliss. Okay, so these are the ways you will include vegetables. आपके बच्चे को आपने अगर सेव पूरी खिलाना सिखाया है या आपके बच्चे को टोस्ट खिलाना सिखाया है, चीज टोस्ट, you should also be able to teach your kid खाखरा. खाखरे के ऊपर हमस डाला या पीनट बटर डाल दिया if you're staying abroad, or if you are having avocados at home तो एक guacamole डाल दिया और उसे बोला now you enjoy what you want to do. So yesterday my little one put pomegranate and corn and she enjoyed it. Okay, so give options to the child. Create an option for the child, and you will see that your child loves eating all this. Okay, when we are talking about chaat, most of us give a boring sprout chaat to our kids. Lekin I put purple cabbage into it, and then I put dahi into it, and then there is meetha chutney, dahi, purple cabbage, a lot of fancy foods, fancy vegetables, which make it so colorful that there is hardly anyone who will say no to it. और आपको पता है ये करने से और ये सब खाने से आप अपने बच्चे को फाइबर भी दे रहे हो, प्रोटीन भी दे रहे हो, फैट भी कम कर रहे हो बच्चे का, एंड दैट इज हाउ यू विल एंश्योर दैट द चाइल्ड इज ईटिंग फैंटास्टिक. ऑल राइट, ओके, नाउ कोमल इज सेइंग
I really will try this ragi wala thing.
रागी बीटरूट ना मेरे घर में इट्स अ बिग डील. सो Yeah. People love it in the house. Then yeah, see now every mother.
Definitely, I'll you know, every mother would definitely try. पढ़ाई कितना important रखता है अपने लिए. We keep so much kids into like A, B, C, D सब आना चाहिए. I think this healthy nutrition is way more important. Brain needs it a lot for functioning. ये सब अपन important. जब यहाँ चलेगा यहाँ you know, when you eat well, the body will react better in studies, in other curriculum, whatever you do. That's what I feel. I would like your suggestion and your comments on this, please.
See, if you open or if you check any, like, you know, my kid follows PV Sindhu a lot. She loves badminton. So, हर एक बच्चे का ना एक role model होता है. Even there are kids who like Varun Dhawan also. And there are kids who like Alia Bhatt. Okay. These are the kid, role models that they look at. So what I do is that I tell them to Google up or to find out what
I
does.
think it's not audible.
Is it audible now? I think so. Yes. It is now. So there are.
I guess it is not audible. If you could just.
Yeah. See, everyone is saying it's audible.
Is it audible, guys?
Yes.
Can you just let us know?
It is. I think there's a problem at your end.
Yeah, now it is fine.
Perfect. Okay. So what I was saying is that every child has a role model, and that role model is a film star, an athlete. So rather than asking the person, asking your child कि उसके जैसा acting करो या वो क्या पहनता है वो देखो, I say उसकी डाइट गूगल कर लो. So विराट कोहली की डाइट गूगल करेगा तो उसे पता चलेगा he is a vegan. वरुण धवन की डाइट गूगल करेंगे तो पता चलेगा how Varun gets his six pack and how dedicated he is. Right? So that is what I tell them to do, and that is what I say, that becoming someone or admiring someone, you will always see that their diet has been right from day one. Alia Bhatt also, before coming in films, had to lose a lot of weight, and now she eats only healthy food. PV Sindhu focuses so much on her food that she carries her chef around. Right? So that is what I think you should realize. There are also questions that are coming जिसमें मेरे बच्चे को चिया सीड्स दूं क्या, मेरे बच्चे को ओट्स दूं क्या. अरे पहले अपने बच्चे को हमारा लोकल फूड जो है, सारी सब्जी खाई बच्चे ने. इज द बच्चा टेस्टिंग, इज योर बच्चा डन टेस्टिंग इवन करेला? Then you think about introducing anything that is fancy or foreign. जैसे वो गमी बेयर्स आते हैं for vitamins. अगर आप बच्चा रोज अभी सीजन में क्या है, post monsoon, so you have pears that are still coming in, right? I did see some maroon color का grapes which I काफी सस्ते थे, मतलब वो locally available है. Pomegranate is coming, bananas are coming, and even in vegetables, unless and until your child has not tasted or eaten the vegetables and the fruits that are locally available, आप सोचो भी मत रागी खाया क्या. रागी is an Indian cereal, आप उसको ओट्स खिलाने की बात कर रहे हो. ये सब है ना. See, all these superfoods are for adults who have blood pressure, hypertension, want to lose weight, ये वो सब इसके लिए. आपका बच्चा अगर नॉर्मल खाना खा रहा है, make sure he stays away from all the preservatives as much as possible. packaged foods थोड़े, I know ना नहीं बोल सकते, but यार थोड़ा ration out करो, थोड़ा healthy dishes डालो, है ना उसकी डाइट में. थोड़ा सा हमारे यहाँ ना गिव एंड टेक ही होता है. वी कॉल आवर सेल्फ स्टॉक मार्केट. तो वो मतलब बोलती है कि देखो आज मैंने मम्मा इतना सैलड खाया, अब तो मुझे आज एक किटकैट दे दे. इट्स लाइक दैट कि टुडे आई डिड दिस, सो टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू बी दिस वे. All right, so we have rationing that happens over here, and that is a beautiful way to deal with. क्यों आप लोग टीवी और स्टडी का डीलिंग करते ही हो ना?
What I feel nowadays is mamas are like, ये लो यार, तुमको जो करना है करो, just leave us, तुमको जो करना है करो. But then chips, biscuits, I really don't like giving it to my son. So in likewise, I would really request all the mothers to giving the money in those advertising wala companies. Get what ma'am is saying, get the local ragi, local vegetables and other things, and blend them, make a dough. She's guided us so well. you know, how to give nutrients to the food. Pumpkin, अपन में से आधी parents have not even thought about it. So, but then you gave us such a nice idea to blend it with the
Correct. Blending of foods, making sure that the food is something that helps everyone. सबसे important question, ठीक है ना श्रुति? Bonvita, Protein-X. Should I give my child that or should I not give my child? That is the most important question I think we have. You know what? Bonvita or Protein-X or for that matter any other powder or supplement is something that your child can easily do without. फिर आप बोलोगे मिल्क नहीं पिएगा. Milk is also something that your child can easily do without. With the dinner and the lunch, add 1 katori dahi in lunch, 1 katori dahi in dinner. The child is fine. No issues. रात को अगर देना ही है milk, if your child is having a cold and a cough issue is another thing, but if your child is not having a cold and a cough, it is okay to include 1 glass of chach with breakfast. You understand my point, guys? It is not important. You know what? Your milk can be given also in the form of paneer. So अगर वो रोटी और पनीर भुर्जी खा रहा है, it is absolutely fine. Isn't it? I think again they lost audio. Oh God, they are losing audio a lot of times.
Audible. Hello?
Yeah.
We'll just connect back.
Okay. Yeah.
Guys, it is online, so there many network issue happens. So just keep patience. She'll repeat everything. Whoever has missed anything.
I was talking about Protein-X, Bonvita, and all of that. ठीक है ना? In my opinion, किसी भी supplement की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay. Point number 1. Point number 2 that I want to make it is that आप लोगों के questions आएंगे कि milk नहीं पिएगा बच्चा. But here I want to say that milk नहीं पिएगा तो भी ठीक ही है. उसका milk हम adjust कर लेंगे. Okay, we will give paneer bhurji and roti for lunch. Okay, we will include 1 katori of dahi for lunch, 1 katori of dahi for dinner. With the breakfast, अगर आपको उसे milk ही देना है, अभी तो काफी गर्मी है. I am okay to even give a glass of buttermilk to my child. Right? So, that is what I think we should be doing as far as things like these are concerned. Okay? Paneer, okay. Cheese, not okay. Why not okay? Because cheese में काफी preservatives और खूब सारा salt है. So cheese is not one of my favorites. Jam, too much sugar. So not one of my favorites. I have inculcated the habit of making sure that my daughter, she is or any other clients of ours which are following it, we give them nice natural spreads and उसके ऊपर like अगर आपको जैम की जगह if I say apply a thin layer of say peanut butter and उसके ऊपर put some sliced banana, put sliced apple, it is a beautiful dish. है ना? बहुत सारे वो इंटरनेशनली अवेलेबल पैनकेक ब्रांड्स भी खाते हैं. वो पैनकेक्स पता है इंटरनेशनल, वो बेटी क्रॉकर एंड देयर आर मेनी पैनकेक मिक्सेस दैट कम फॉर बेबीज, है ना? पैनकेक मिक्सेस कौन लाता है अपने घर में? पैनकेक मिक्सेस, राइट? सो टेल मी समथिंग, दैट पैनकेक मिक्स वाज मैन्युफैक्चर्ड 9 months बैक, 6 months बैक. ठीक है ना? वो पाउडर उस प्लास्टिक में पड़ा ही है. फिर आप उसको निकाल के उसको कट करके उसमें दूध अंडा जो भी डाल के आपके बच्चे को कुछ देते हो. कांट यू सी दैट यू कैन मेक इट इन योर ओन हाउस? अपना आटा है ना, रेगुलर आटा, रागी का आटा, वो लो, उसमें आप मिल्क डालो, उसमें आप हनी डालो. ओके, अगर आप नॉन वेजिटेरियन हो तो उसी में अंडा फोड़ो और उसका एक पैनकेक बना दो. एंड इन दैट यू टॉप इट विथ वेरियस फ्रूट्स, यू टॉप इट विथ एनीथिंग दैट योर किड लाइक्स, which is again coming out from your fridge, not from your shelf. जो भी आपके शेल्फ से आता है ना, that is something that is a problem.
That's what I'm saying, from your kitchen, not from your packet.
Yes, correct. So everything has a solution.
So,
and
see, they are kids. अब काफी बच्चों को इस चीज की आदत हो चुकी है. They have chips, they have chocolates. So how can we balance it? एकदम से मना करेंगे तो you know the tantrums now all the kids have.
Correct. That's
so what is the better way?
So to all the children, so we have about 400 children on our nutrition plans. Okay, some of them are athletes, some of them are overweight, some of them unfortunately have got hormonal problems. तो हमारे पास 400 से 500 बच्चे हैं. तो सबसे पहले हम यही बोलते हैं कि if it is you know a child, एक मदर, एक नॉर्मल प्लान ऑफ अ अडल्ट इज फॉर 3 months. ओके, द किड चेंजेस, जो चेंजेस के किड्स है ना, वो सारे आपको डबल, यू हैव टू टेक डबल द एफर्ट टू ब्रिंग अ चेंज इन योर किड्स लाइफ. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, एज अ मदर, बी पेशेंट. ओके, बी वेरी वेरी पेशेंट. एंड उसके बाद लेट्स थिंक अबाउट हाउ टू चेंज थिंग्स वन बाय वन. ओके, सो पहले अगर आपको उसके चिप का हैबिट चेंज करना है, सो सबसे पहले लेज, आलू का चिप्स और वो सारे उन चीज़ों को निकाल के वहाँ पे सबसे पहले तो रागी का चिप्स इंट्रोड्यूस करो और मखाना इंट्रोड्यूस करो. लेकिन वो वाला मखाना नहीं जिसमें बारबेक्यू फ्लेवर है, चीज़ फ्लेवर है एंड ऑल दैट. प्लेन मखाना मिलेगा with a little bit of salt. Go ahead and try those things first. Okay, we have a section in our recipes for kids. Please go and check all those. Even the sandwich recipes are a very healthy variation. It's www.balancenutrition.in. recipes में जाओ, अपने आप को लॉग इन कराओ and then you can check all the recipes over there. Okay, sleep pattern की बात हो या जो भी बात हो.
That's great. That would be a real help.
Sure. Please go ahead and check that, and if you can't, just ping us over here, comment karo, chat karo. My team will be happy to share all those things with you. Okay, so first and foremost, be patient with your child. Aloo chip
sattu powder.
Yeah, it's very good. Please give it Aarti.
Yeah,
very good. See, like पहले वाले जो हमारे पहला
generation come up really, it is lot in now.
सत्तू जो है ना, वो एज ओल्ड रेसिपी है. ग्रैंडमदर यूज्ड टू यूज इट. वो अभी वापस आई है सत्तू. यस,
वापस आ रही है. सी,
करेक्ट. Everyone is now trying to cook at home, trying to eat local, all of that. So first and foremost, as I said, बच्चे को हमेशा थोड़ा सा टाइम दीजिए.
Isn't it like that कि एक ग्लास सत्तू पाउडर या कुछ बच्चों को दिया और साथ में एक पैकेट चिप्स दे दिया later in the evening. So I guess parents should really understand that going healthy is not just one day or one meal thing. It has to be, weekend thing and just a cheat meal for the kid in the entire week. That's what I believe. Your highlights on this would really help.
The first layer, पता है हमको एंजियोग्राफी और एंजियोप्लास्टी करानी पड़ती है when we are 45. It starts as early as 32. Like people who are 33, 34 को स्टेंट बिठाना पड़ता है. सबको आजकल इंसुलिन रेजिस्टेंस हो रही है, सबको एसिड रिफ्लक्स हो रहा है. The foundation of these health issues is laid in your body when you were 10 and 11 years old. तो आर्टरीज में जो पहला लेयर ऑफ फैट होता है ना, वो जमा होना शुरू होता है एट द एज ऑफ 12. योर फैटी लिवर स्टार्ट्स डेवलपिंग एट द एज ऑफ 13 and 14. जब आपको पता चलता है ना, तब वो बॉडी हैज गिवन अप अ फाइटिंग फॉर इट. सो दैट इज व्हाट. Can you hear me now? Can't hear me? I'm so sorry. The audio is coming up and down and up and down and up and down. No? Okay, let me just get back again. Wait. Kailash, why don't you put the recipe links please on Instagram comment, on Facebook comment. Yeah, if you're watching it, please put it. Please put the link across. Yeah, I think now you can hear me, no?
So we have a question here. She's asking where can we see the recipe?
Yes, I told, so
as ma'am said, it's on her website.
Shruti, what I'll do is, Shruti,
so you can just log it and real innovative recipes.
I will also give it to you. I will put it up on the status also. I will put it up in the comments. I will give it to you. You put it up in your status. So they can go and visit it.
Yeah.
है ना? I will share some recipes with you where you can go and put it. I will share those recipes even in our group and on our Facebook page. Some links of recipes and recipes itself. Sheetal wants to know about weight gain foods. Sheetal, first of all, I think you should understand if the child is gaining weight or not gaining weight, and if the child needs weight gain. 4-year-old is developing dark circles. Any of your kids who have developed dark circles, the only remedy is, I would say, start applying almond oil. Okay? Would you do that? Okay? So make sure that almond oil is applied, okay, around the edges. Fresh almond oil lena, it will be very, very good. I am not able to hear you. I am not able to hear you. You are not audible. What I would do is, can I take the questions? If you can hear me, can I take the questions? Amrita is saying, tell us something about oats. Are they good or they should be used or are they packaged? See guys, strawberry oats hai अगर आपके पास masala oats है, they are not a good option at all. ठीक है ना? Normal oats can become a little excessive high in fiber for kids who are below 10 years old. So if I were you, I would not start oats so soon unless and until I find some way or some reason to give oats. Okay, enough fiber will come from roti, rice, dal, vegetables, fruits. Then you don't have anything to worry about, Amrita. Okay, Monica is saying, what is the ideal portion for food groups of a 6-year-old? Monica, I have guidelines for 4 to 6, 6 to 8 also. You can make sure that you can make sure that you write to me in the chat. I will answer your question again.
Audible. I'll just connect again.
Wait.
I'll connect again.
Right. Yeah.
Now it's audible, isn't it?
Perfect.
There are some network issues, some or the other way. Kabhi, we cannot help that. But really, I really like the concept you said about child's nutrition and other things. Ma'am, but abhi jaise pandemic situation hai, getting things from outside has become a little scary nowadays. Especially in, I guess, every part of India, it is spreading like anything. So any suggestions, how mothers should maintain that hygiene plus the health, both the edges to be taken care of?
Sure. I know a lot of you wash your foods in soda, fruits and vegetables are washed, disinfected. But अभी तक guys कोई formula नहीं आया या कोई research नहीं आई कि आपकी washing के वजह से corona virus is dying. ओके, सो एज लॉन्ग एज योर सोर्स, जहां से आप खरीद रहे हो या जहां से आप मंगवा रहे हो, अगर वो अच्छे से हाइजीनिकली पैक करके दे रहा है, अगर वो हाइजीनिकली आपकी सारी चीजें रख रहा है, सी आई हैव पुट द रेसिपी लिंक इन द कमेंट्स, या सी देयर इट इज, नेटवर्क इशू, यू गाइस यू कैन गो एंड चेक द रेसिपीज, उसमें चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशन की रेसिपीज है, प्लीज देख लो आप. ओके, सो देर इज नो रियल एविडेंस शोइंग दैट आपकी सब्जियों को या ये ऐसे वॉश करके करोना जाता है, बट एज लॉन्ग एज यू आर मेंटेनिंग हाइजीन इन द हाउस, आई थिंक इट्स परफेक्ट. ओके, खाना बंद तो नहीं कर सकता इंसान, है ना, बट आपका सोर्स चेक करो, आपका सोर्स अच्छा हो, आपके वेजिटेबल्स अच्छी जगह से आए, and I think you should be happy and good to go, right? So pandemic situation के लिए एक ही टिप है सबसे बड़ी, और वो है कि पैकेज फूड से थोड़ा दूर रहो. Okay, anything that comes out of a packet is spoiling your immunity, है ना? Oh God, I think we are getting terribly stuck with हाँ, understood. इम्यूनिटी बढ़ाने के लिए फॉर किड्स आई एम गिविंग यू वन रेसिपी. नो, आई कांट हियर यू.
Skinny types होते हैं. So there's one mom here. She's asking, the baby is very skinny, but the little there is one question, real nice question that I want to put. काफी के बच्चे बहुत पतले से होते हैं, skinny type baby, but then they are very active. So there's one mom here asking the same. She's been asking it. I guess she's asked it twice.
Right.
So she has a real concern कि मेरा baby बहुत पतला है. He's 3.5. But
Correct.
then skinny है but active है.
Let me address. I get what she's saying. See, in India, okay, हमारे खुद के हमारे अपने concepts है on fat and thin. Okay, if you have been a fat girl, like I was always fat, I was 68-70 kilos, then I reached 99, and now if I'm at 55 for the last 10 years of my life, मुझे काफी कमेंट्स आते हैं, एंड दोज कमेंट्स आर what, अरे कितनी पतली हो गई, गाल कितने अंदर चले गए, why, look at you, but it's not that. So the concept of healthy in India for a बच्चा is chubby. Okay, so आपका बच्चा चबी नहीं है, उसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो हेल्दी नहीं है. और हम हमारे बच्चों का बॉडी कॉम्पोजिशन इसलिए खराब करते हैं बिकॉज वी फील दैट द चाइल्ड, सी एवरी चाइल्ड इज बॉर्न फिट एंड थिन. Okay, very few, touchwood, are born with an internal issue where they gain weight naturally. वो जो बच्चे का पतला फ्रेम है ना, maintain that frame as long as your child is happy, not complaining. I would say asset है, आपके लिए वो asset है. ओके, आप प्लीज उसको बर्बाद मत करो. आप अपने बच्चे को ओ माय बच्चा इज नॉट चबी, या ओ माय बच्चा इज नॉट एज प्लम्प, या वो गोलू नहीं है. अरे अच्छा है गोलू नहीं है, आगे जाके नहीं तो बेचारे ये गोलू को ब्लड प्रेशर, कोलेस्ट्रॉल, थायराइड, डायबिटीज, एसिडिटी सब हो जाएगा. सो मेक श्योर दैट यू डोंट गेट इनटू दैट माइंड फ्रेम. पता है जब आप भी अगर मोटे हो, अरे
गोलू नाइस नाउ,
बट आपको पता है हम लोग बोलते हैं गोलू नहीं, बट इवन व्हेन वी आर लूजिंग वेट फॉर दैट मैटर, इजंट इट, हमें भी तो कमेंट्स आते हैं जब मोटे हो, थोड़ी ऐसे भर गई नहीं, हाँ भर गई, अरे तू वेट लॉस कर रही है, अरे अब बस कर, लुक एट योर बॉडी. अरे नो यार, बट दैट पर्सन इज एंजॉयिंग इट, दैट पर्सन इज हेल्दी, दैट पर्सन इज फिट, तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? ग्लो चला गया फेस से, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. हाँ, अनलेस एंड अंटिल डाइट इतनी बुरी की हो कि वो ओनली वाटरमेलन, ओनली कीटो, ओनली एटकिंस डाइट अगर कर रहे हो, देन देयर विल बी अ प्रॉब्लम इन योर न्यूट्रिशन कॉम्पोजिशन. बट इंडिया हैज टू, एंड द मदर्स, वी हैव टू चेंज द कॉन्सेप्ट. चब्बी बेबी इज नॉट हेल्दी बेबी. वो चब्बी बेबी फिर रेस में भाग नहीं पाएगा, सेकेंड लास्ट आएगा वो चब्बी बेबी रेस में.
Definitely hope you got your answer. So it is very important that the baby should be active and fit rather than the golu molu child who will, tend to have some other problems maybe. So it's better to focus on the nutrition value, like she said, chocolates. Find alternatives, and like Ma'am has said, she'll be posting. I'll share some and you can definitely visit her site. And other than kids, I must tell you that, ma'am, isn't it like thousands of clients that you have made fit with your healthy recipes? Because I've been following you from so long, and I've seen all the recipes are like yummy wala yummy, not the boring guilty
Actually,
loki, boiled guilty loki.
Actually, वो आया यहाँ से है ना.
So you give pastas and you give.
See, the problem is that the program is developed.
Because I've seen you getting pastas and
the program is developed.
I've seen you also doing that.
Actually,
see, I closely follow you. I've seen you also eating pastas and other things, isn't it?
See, that's what I'm saying.
I closely follow you.
जो ये diet plan है ना, it has come. So basically, I got my degree.
I closely follow you.
So I got my degree, ठीक है ना? मुझे degree तो मिली. Oh, I think her live video just ended. So I got a degree, guys, but वो degree कहाँ से आई है पता है? I got it in clinical nutrition and I finished my masters in that. Okay, but it was only when I, what do you say, खुद पे जब आती है, as you say, when I started losing weight on my own is when I realized that नहीं भैया, weight loss is not about following a textbook. Weight loss is about only and only making sure that you are eating what you want to. So the recipes at Balanced Nutrition are a product of मुझे जो पसंद था. अगर मुझे पास्ता खाना था, so I ate my pasta. अगर मुझे कुछ और खाना था in terms of other things, I started following and I started eating all those things and I developed ways. फिर आया बच्चू. So बच्चू को same way it took me 11 years to understand that बच्चे को क्या देना चाहिए, and every phase of Trisha's life was like a personal learning for myself. तो it's a combination of degree plus personal, है ना? So डिग्री के साथ एक पर्सनल अगर हम लोगों ने लेट से कुछ मिक्स कर दिया तो तब जाकर I feel ये बना. All right, and that is how we have come up with the programs of Balanced Nutrition. I think we are pretty much done, but if there is anyone who has any more questions, everyone is saying thank you and all. So yes, the concepts, as long as आपको concept अच्छे लग गए, I'm very happy and I'm extremely, what do you say, happy to answer any question. एक है लेकिन, how to keep eyes healthy and what to do as there is an exposure. ठीक है ना? Okay. Yes, they say that there is an exposure. The child is, what is she saying? To keep eyes healthy, what to do? Yes, hi. So we have a question here, Shruti. The question says that अगर my child is too much on the screen, तो मैं क्या करूँ? What should I? Yeah, it should say, the question is what should I feed my child? Guys, I would say that आपके घर में रोज if आपका बच्चा गाजर का सूप पी सकता है, you should give 1 cup of गाजर सूप. और अगर आपका बच्चा गाजर सूप नहीं पी सकता, then you should give your baby 1 glass of गाजर का जूस, preferably homemade. ठीक है ना? और वो जो गाजर बच जाएगा ना, उसका पराठा करना. Then you will see that your child's eyes are as pretty as they can get. ठीक है? So make sure that you are giving गाजर का जूस and बीट और रागी का हलवा तो मैंने आपको बता ही दिया है. So that also is going to work. Okay? Please let me know on post-pregnancy. Yes, I think Shruti, we should do a session on post-pregnancy also and how to prepare your child, how to prepare for a second pregnancy. Zeba, done. We'll do that. There is one more question saying diet composition.
Definitely. I have thousands of questions
yes.
for that. because I've just delivered 8 months back, and you know my DMs are always with it. How did you lose those 30 kgs? I was like, it's all because of, you know, I don't know. I was brought up like this.
Healthy
So I have
खाना.
so many questions. We would definitely love to do a session for, you know, post-pregnancy thing.
Right. There's a question. What is the diet composition for a 4-year-old? Sunita, a 4-year-old's diet composition is something that first of all will start with whatever you are eating at home. Okay? उसके लिए सबसे पहले तो एक्स्ट्रा खाना बनाना बंद करो. सेकेंड, अगर ये 4-year-old ब्रेकफास्ट खाता है तो आपने आज घर में जो भी ब्रेकफास्ट बनाया है ना उसके हाथ में एक प्लेट दे दो. ओके, लेट द चाइल्ड टेक व्हाट द चाइल्ड वांट्स. Mid morning of a 4-year-old has to be either a fruit or a juice. It could be in the form of a puree, it could be in the form of soup, it could be in the form of, see, I like only juicing vegetables. अगर फ्रूट को जूस बनाना है so I am not, मुझे इतना पसंद नहीं है, ठीक है. But if you make sure that your fruits are eaten and your juices are your vegetables are juiced, it's a healthy option. ठीक है ना. Bindu is saying, what if a child feels low every other day? Bindu, a child feeling low every other day is something that could do or could be as simple as the composition of carbohydrates. Second, वो excess carbohydrate होके excess sugar rush भी हो सकता है. Or otherwise, there also could be a problem with just vitamins here and there. I would say talk to a doctor and preferably adjust that, you know, pharmaceutical part. ठीक है. Or otherwise, I'm sure if you ping us, we will be able to help you. There's a very important question. Normal salt या regular Himalayan salt? What works better? Himalayan salt में apart from a few minerals कुछ खास इतना है नहीं. तो मुझे पहले तो I want to understand one thing कि salt, okay, is consumption of salt in your day-to-day life should be 1 spoon, not more. You eat, yeah, 1 spoon. Adult, okay, or bachcha. Whenever we are talking about see guys, salt and sugar were human, man-made inventions. They are as good as a spice. They are a taste element, right? So एक फूड जो है, लाइक यू नो, देर आर घर, कभी कभी कोई घर में सब्जी बनाता है. सो माई ओनली टिप इज, अगर आप घर में सब्जी बना रहे हो ना तो वो सब्जी ऐसी होनी चाहिए कि अगर मैं आंख बंद करके खा रही हूं ना, मुझे पता चलना चाहिए कि ये गोभी है. डोंट लूज द टेस्ट ऑफ गोभी इन मेकिंग योर आलू गोभी यार. यू नो, every vegetable has their own natural smell and taste. The moment your sabzi is smelling of malai or is smelling of a masala and is not smelling of the sabzi, आपने वो सब्जी overcook कर दी है. Okay, so what you have to make sure is that you understand the concept of getting into this kind of a diet. All right.
वो भी एकदम पंजाबी स्टाइल बन जाती है, you know, with all those masalas and everything. तभी it becomes tasty. That's why होटल का खाना is, you know, much preferred by everyone than घर का खाना. How you see?
Precisely. Yes. अब आते हैं नमक and sugar पे. Shruti, what I'll do is, you know, I will give you the IGTV download. Will you post this IGTV download on your Learners for Life? Because whenever I'm trying to get there ना यार, वो आ ही नहीं रहा है. But what we'll do is we will make sure.
This is better here. The connection is
yes.
better.
What we'll do is we'll make sure that the audiences that were listening to us there get this IGTV video come what may. ठीक है ना?
Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Come on, Shruti. So now the question back to your salt and sugar. You know what we say as nutritionists, we say that जब तक आपका बच्चा 1 साल का नहीं हो रहा है ना, उसे salt और sugar का taste मत दो. लेकिन हम बट आप तो यार बहुत हरी में हो, आप लोगों को सबको बिस्किट खिलाने हैं, आइसक्रीम खिलाने हैं, हंसना है. नो, द चाइल्ड हैज टू, मैंगो सीजन आया है यार, द चाइल्ड हैज टू एंजॉय एंड अप्रिशिएट द मैंगो. द चाइल्ड हैज टू लर्न टू अप्रिशिएट गाजर. द चाइल्ड हैज टू लर्न टू पहले वो पालक में ब्लै करेगा, ओके, सेकेंड टाइम पालक में वो ब्लै करेगा, थर्ड टाइम में अगर उसको भूख लगी है वो ब्लै नहीं करेगा. Okay.
Yeah.
So then
we are like, इसको मान ही रहा, let it be.
Correct. So that is what we should all realize. We should, all right. And once we don't give up is when your child will, even potato, sweet potato, they all have their own flavors. All right, so as long as possible, as much as possible, avoid the addition of salt and sugar because they play a big role in bloating, hydration, hormones, all of those issues which we should avoid, and we should not want them. All right, okay.
Yeah, I have also read that, giving high sugar to kids make them a little hyperactive.
Yes.
So then mamas are like, mera bacha bahut bhagta hai, mera bacha is like, he keeps me on toes and all that. So you're already feeding them with lots of sugar, jams, and so hyperactive. So I guess it would come.
Yes, artificial
So it's wrong,
hyperactive
right?
kid. Yeah. You know what happens when even a normal person takes a high dose of sugar? The body is programmed. अभी सबको पता है, डायबिटिक्स जो है उनको पता होना चाहिए कि शुगर जो मेटाबोलाइज होती है हमारी, जो खर्च होती है शुगर, ओके, that sugar is खर्च out because of it needs a partner, and that partner is insulin. So insulin, whenever you're eating high sugar, the body is giving a signal to the hormone insulin to come out. Okay, and when that insulin comes out, it has to not come out in high proportions. That is unhealthy. And you keep eating those high sugar, you keep eating high fat, and you keep abusing that organ, and you keep telling him high levels of insulin निकालो. तो by 30 ये बंदे को डायबिटीज हो जाता है क्योंकि बॉडी इज कंफ्यूज, उसको नहीं पता मैं क्या करूं. Okay, so what we have to understand is that the concept of insulin is also something. So that's why we say that give your child brown rice ka kheer, something where the sugar is released slowly, where the insulin is released slowly. अब इतनी सारी sugar खा ली, it is abnormal that the child has got so much sugar and the child is getting into hyperactivity. It's very abnormal. उसके hormones अभी से आप खेल रहे हो. So it's not fun
and then
to.
बाद में you will say कि यार इसको ये problem हो गया. So what I understood with the session is that nutrition is from the very beginning stage, as like you are saying 6 months say you should take care of the nutrition that you're giving to the child. But don't you think the parents are realizing it only after they themselves find some issues in health? So I would really request all the parents to be a little more aware about the nutrition aspect. So like thinking upon education, other classes, this and that, we put so much of thing in that, but nutrition is so underrated. But then that is, I guess, one of the best part that a parent should focus on.
See, India में ना nutrition as a concept is catching up. या इंडिया में न्यूट्रिशन एज अ कॉन्सेप्ट इट सेल्फ इज कैचिंग अप. सबसे पहले तो हमारे न्यूट्रिशन का मतलब होता था कि वेट लॉस डाइट. एक डाइटिशियन कैन ओनली डू अ वेट लॉस डाइट. ऐसा नहीं होता है. एज अ डाइटिशियन आई इन माई मास्टर्स हैड सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक मेटर्नल न्यूट्रिशन, पोस्ट प्रेगनेंसी न्यूट्रिशन, चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशन, एंड दैट चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशन स्टार्टेड राइट फ्रॉम वीनिंग. ठीक है ना. सो दैट वॉज वॉट वी लर्नड. All right, so that is what child nutrition is all about. But yes, in India that is still coping up. लोगों को अभी पता चल रहा है कि एक बच्चे को भी न्यूट्रिशन देना चाहिए. एंड ऑफ कोर्स इंडिया में चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशनिस्ट एंड चाइल्ड न्यूट्रिशन एक्सपर्ट्स आर वेरी वेरी लेस. So that is the reason, but I'm sure that in the coming future we will all be doing it, है ना. I think the live today has gone way beyond 1 hour. So I would say thank you to everyone who's followed, and I will make sure that all your queries are replied to. Please go to balancenutrition.in, go to recipes, go to blog sections and find out for yourself as well. Until then, it's a bye.